Hi, I am Tata Harper, and today I am going to do the Get the Gloss in 7 makeup challenge, which for me is much more about my skin and much less about makeup. So I curated this 4-step regimen that it's really focused on retexturizing the skin and also making your skin like really smooth. And the first steps involved some of our favorite and best-selling products like the regenerating cleanser and the resurfacing mask, which is like this gel, and using them together, which is one of my favorite hacks for getting your skin glowy, like focusing first on retexturizing. So I added a little bit of the product and we apply directly on dry skin. This product is really gentle, so you can use it every single day to get rid of your dead skin cells. And it has both chemical and physical exfoliants that just really gently just remove everything that is in the surface layer. That way everything just penetrates deeper into your skin. So basically you work that in, you polish, and then right on top, you add the resurfacing mask, just this one right here. If you have a brush, apply it with a brush. I love applying it with a brush, but if you don't, just apply it with your fingers and it will be fine. I actually love to take it even like right under the eye. This is a little hack for glow. When you need like your skin to be really extra glowy and kind of like have the effects of a peel, but without any downtime or any redness. Anyway, that's kind of like how it looks. And you can really feel them working, like the tingle. But no worries, it's all super gentle. It's just like a lot of exfoliation in your skin from enzymes, from chemicals like acids, like BHAs, and it also has a lot of the more of the physical exfoliators from apricot seed powder. So anyway, you work them together, you leave that for 5 minutes, and then you remove. I love removing with a little cloth. Like this, just makes the removal like really much better, and it also keeps exfoliating the products of your skin. So you guys are gonna see the skin is gonna be like super smooth, no redness, no discomfort, just like glowy, perfect skin. And this is like the first step to achieving smooth skin. So like that skin that just looks like super even. So we dry that out. There you go. Just like less than a minute of those two products on my skin, but still the skin just gets like really glowing right away. But we're gonna continue building in the results with the resurfacing serum. And this serum looks like this. This serum also micro exfoliates the skin, so we're continuing with the micro exfoliation and retexturizing. But it also feeds your skin with a lot of vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, like lots of antioxidants. And it also has a blend of fruit acids that are a combination of like 5 different AHAs to continue the exfoliation of the skin. So you put that on, can really see the skin getting glowy. And then the last step, which is the most important step for smooth skin, is the waterlogged moisturizer. I don't know if you guys realize, but being able to keep water at the surface level of the skin is really the key to smooth skin. You know, like that skin that is just like really soft, and basically it has like no, like you touch it and it's just soft and velvety. And that's what you get with the technology inside of this moisturizer, that it just creates like this water trapping matrix all over your skin with pomegranate spheres that trap hydration, but also it contains a lot of peptides from oranges that seal everything in. And I think that this product's also a great, it doubles up as a primer, but without any of those pore clogging silicones. So, you know, the skin just looks like really smooth and ready for whatever comes next, which is the 2 makeup steps, this blush and this highlighter. And basically the blush I love. I just feel that it gives you that healthy looking skin. And I like putting a little bit here on my forehead, a little bit in the chin, and a little bit in the lips. And then on top of that, the highlighter, this gold warm highlighter that I love putting in my nose and in the eyebrows. And then a little bit in the forehead too. And lastly, like right here on top of the blush. There you go, guys, like next level glow. And the skin just looks and feels like really, really smooth. Bye.